Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Sticky Art channel. My name is Justin, and in this video I'm going to show step-by-step how to draw the glitch effect in Procreate on my iPad Pro. I'm going to be drawing this glitch effect on SpongeBob flipping a Krabby Patty wearing his Crocs and socks. This effect will work on pretty much any cartoon character. Anything with thick lines will look extra trippy. The first thing you want to do is take your character. If you're taking something that's already created, or if you're drawing it, you will need to just have an outline of it. And once you have your outline, you want to make 2 extra copies of it. You'll have a total of 3 copies. And then change the color of the 2 extra, 1 to pink and 1 to blue. You can use pretty much any color as long as they are across from each other on the color wheel. And once you have your 3 colors, go ahead and move 1 to the right and 1 to the left, and have your black in between. This is the basics for the glitch effect. It's pretty trippy, and it is hard for your mind to concentrate. I'm going to take it one step further and add some color. If your character already has color, you can skip this step. Got SpongeBob with a Krabby Patty, and Krabby Patty's got all the fixins looking extra delicious. I'm going to add back in my outlines of the blue and pink. I've added one more layer and I'm adding a green color to it. I'm just using a mask and I'm going to clip it down. Once I clip it down, I'm going to shift it over. The last thing I'm going to do to this glitch effect is take the rectangle select and select boxes and move them around, shift them left and right, as well as take individual kind of pixels and move them from one part of the screen to the other. And take a piece of that Krabby Patty, and I made sure to give SpongeBob a little piece of that, put it right in his mouth. He worked so hard on that Krabby Patty, he really deserved it. Woo! Delicious. I also wanted to play around with the eyes, kind of give him that Gox or Cause style. Ended up also trying a little kind of like old school video game buttons. Glitch effect definitely reminds me of something in video games. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, what eyes I should use on this one. Definitely like this piece and how it came out. Extra trippy, super detailed and colorful. Get that video game effect. That's probably my favorite. I could probably do something to enhance that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button. And if you'd like more, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for when I release new videos. And until next time, peace.